Bueno, soy el doctor Iván Fernández, aquí tenemos al doctor Esta, el doctor Luna, hace 12 años. Yo hablé con el doctor Esta de la visión que tenía en el Cabral Ibáez, y tenemos un interés de ver cómo podemos ayudar a los niños de la República Dominicana respecto a deformidad de columna, y nos presentó al doctor Esta. A partir de ahí comenzamos la llamada telefónica y fue el primer contacto. Miguel y yo comenzamos, hicimos la primera jornada. Han pasado 12 años y en 12 años 13 jornadas. Ya somos grandes amigos, somos como hermanos, y a partir de ahí hemos operado a más de 250 niños. Estamos grandemente, exclusivamente y muy contentos de todos estos años que estamos juntos.
Bueno, durante estos 12 años, como dijo Johan, realmente hemos crecido, y esto ha pasado más que ser un tratamiento de deformidades de columna. A través del tiempo, en el proyecto ortopédico pediátrico, o POP, ha podido realizar muchas obras de reconstrucción, remodelamiento y donación de equipos en el hospital. También a ciertos pacientes con condiciones especiales también se le ha podido suplir de materiales y equipos de alta tecnología que aquí, sería muy difícil de conseguir para ellos. Y además de eso, se ha extendido en lo que es educación a lo que es el personal de enfermería, de esterilización e incluso al personal médico.
My name is Enrico Stazone. I'm a pediatric orthopedic surgeon in the United States at Peyton Manning Children's Hospital, and we're chatting today about our pediatric orthopedic project, scoliosis mission work in the Dominican Republic. And this really all began with two young spine surgeons here. It was the idea of Dr. Luna and Dr. Fernandez, who had many patients that needed this care, to try and establish a program in the Dominican Republic. And what began as two groups of doctors from different countries, from different backgrounds, really becoming friends and teaching each other, learning from the Dominican surgeons and working together. We've been able to provide care for many children, over 100 children over the last 12 years. There have been a lot of groups that have worked together. The Voluntariados Jesus con los Niños, a group of wonderful women who have supported us for the last 12 years to make this happen, and anything that was needed, that was missing, they would help us to obtain. These two surgeons here are outstanding doctors who really care about the children in their country and have done such great work taking care of these children. Several hundred children they've helped over the last 12 years. And they are more my brothers than my friends now. I consider them my brothers. The Holmes Foundation has been just a wonderful group supporting us and allowing us to use the operating room facilities, and we could not have done this without the help of Dr. Jose Alvarez and the Holmes Foundation. So I can't believe it's been already 12 years and how many children we've helped over those years. It's been an amazing journey. I think I've learned much more and received much more than I've given. When my wife and I talked about doing this 12 years ago, my first thought was that these two doctors were crazy, because this is very hard surgery, and to try and do some of these incredibly difficult cases that they presented. These were very severe deformities, much more severe than many of the deformities we treat in the United States. And yet somehow it's worked out, and they've helped take care of some incredibly difficult scoliosis patients. And it's really a tribute to their skills and their heart, how much they care. When we set this up, my wife's goals were, my wife, Dr. Madeline Stazone, was to do it as safely as possible and at the highest of level, to try and do it almost exactly the way we would do it if we were in the United States. And so that was our goal, whether it was having neural monitoring to monitor the spinal cord. And so, and our goal was always to do this as a team. It was not about people from the United States, it was about working together, collaborating. the surgeons from the United States. And even today we discuss cases. I will show them cases, they will show me cases, and we learn from each other. So it's been a beautiful friendship the last 12 years.